fiberglass doors. They're not all equal. Plastpro fiberglass entry doors provide beauty and protection for your home. Our exclusive Hydroshield technology is water-resistant and provides seal protection on all 6 sides of the door. It helps prevent warping, delamination, corrosion, rotting, and the buildup of mold and mildew. All 6 sides of Plastpro's doors are composite and filled with high-density polyurethane foam. The fiberglass reinforced full-length composite stiles and composite top and bottom rails form an edge perimeter that creates an impenetrable moisture barrier. This barrier ensures that Plastpro's doors remain warp, rot, and rust-free. The full-length LVL composite style also provides additional support and allows installation of virtually any door lock and hardware at any position. Inside the door, the highly concentrated foam completely fills the cavity, leaving no gaps and no room for condensation to build up. When peeling off the skin of a Plastpro door, you'll see a large amount of foam being torn off with the skin. This is an indication of how tightly our foam bites into the skin. How are Plastpro fiberglass entry doors different from others? All 4 sides of competitor A's doors are made from wood. Unlike Plastpro's full composite door, wood rails and stiles allow moisture to seep into the door. This leads to splitting and rotting. The small lock block section limits the choice of hardware and gives less support to the lock system. Plus, competitor A uses styrene foam that leaves gaps between the foam and the skin, creating an environment that allows condensation to build up. Competitor B only features a composite bottom rail. The other 3 sides are wood and feature a small lock block. Additionally, not all polyurethane foams are alike. Plastpro uses a high-density foam. Competitor B uses a much lower density foam that does not fill all the gaps. Peel back the skin and you'll see a flat surface that was created by the skin, with a minimum amount of foam being torn off. This could lead to moisture buildup inside the door. This competitor uses composite top and bottom rails but incorporates wood stiles into their design. The wood stiles go all the way to the top and bottom but are not sealed with the composite top and bottom rails. This will lead to moisture seeping into the door. And once again, this competitor uses a low-density polyurethane foam core that leaves gaps. Competitor D features wood construction on all 4 sides with a weak, evacuated core. This leads to moisture buildup just like the other competitors' doors. Plastpro doors are also hurricane rated. To pass Florida's building safety requirements for a high-velocity hurricane zone, doors must hold under 65 design pressure. In other words, a wind speed of 197 miles per hour and 97.5 pounds per square foot. Plastpro doors pass the test with flying colors, withstanding an average of 90 to 100 design pressure. While under hurricane wind speeds, the hardware is fixed and holds the door to the frame. However, the corners will be bent. Unlike wood-style fiberglass and steel doors, the fully composite Plastpro stiles return the corners to their original position after the severe wind pressure. When it comes to beauty and safety, Plastpro's high-quality doors will provide a lifetime of maintenance-free service. Every door is put through a rigorous battery of tests, first in our own lab and then in an independent testing facility. Our dedication to quality means your home will be beautified and protected by a door designed to last decades. Plastpro. Know the beauty of innovation.